Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles. First, gather your ingredients like fresh fruit, juice, or yogurt, along with popsicle molds and sticks. You'll also need a blender or food processor if using whole fruits. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures you're set for delicious, homemade treats. Now let's create your popsicle base. If using fresh fruit, blend it with a liquid like water, coconut water, or juice until smooth. For a creamier texture, add yogurt or milk. Taste the mixture and adjust sweetness with a tablespoon of honey or a quarter cup of sugar if desired. Once perfected, carefully pour the liquid into your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top. With your molds filled, it's time to freeze. If your molds have lids with stick slots, use them. Otherwise, let them freeze for about 30 minutes, then insert your popsicle sticks upright. This initial freeze helps the sticks stay centered. Place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until completely solid. To unmold, briefly run warm water over the outside of the mold. Your delicious homemade popsicles are now ready to enjoy. They're perfect for a hot day or a sweet treat anytime. If you've made a big batch, store any extra popsicles in an airtight freezer bag or container to keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.